TEXA Diagnostics offers coverage for car, truck, off-highway, bike, and marine, including Class 8 truck, industrial, agriculture off-highway. Today we're at IBEX. We're going to focus on marine. So our marine coverage includes inboard engines, industrial engines, generators, outboard engines, as well as PWC, personal watercraft. So I want to go over some of our more in-depth coverage, some of the stuff we can offer that our competitors may not be able to offer. So if we look at our inboard engines, we'll go look at a Volvo Penta. And we're going to do a D9 EVC. So we offer your diesel injection communication, engine compartment communication, instrument panel, which is great, but we also offer interactive wiring diagrams here. So you can click on anything, it'll tell you what you're looking at. They have operational cards, so it's operating principle. So this is available for most of our major makes and models as well. We also offer technical data sheets. This is anything, joystick calibrations, self-configurations, throttle pedal learns, anything that TEXA thought you might benefit from having a manual procedure for. So all of these have been added to our software now. There's also guided diagnosis. So this is actually a step-by-step code assistance guide. So if you're looking at this and you're trying to go through, you have this code, cylinder 5 injector, it'll show you a complete test procedure. So if this, then that testing tree, troubleshooting tree all the way down to tell you how to repair your vehicle.